Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to export transparent video in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and create a new project. Here, import the video or animation that you want to make it transparent. Next, tap your clip and scroll to the bottom tools and select Cut Out or the Auto Removal. Then here, choose the Chroma key and tap the color picker and select green or solid background behind your subject. Increase the strength and the shadow until the background is fully removed. Once the background is transparent, tap the export button and change the format to video and make sure that it's saved to a transparent background. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.